Hey, this is Ken from Metal Medic. I want to show you the prep I use and recommend for my glue and my tabs. Okay, when you get these tabs, these are machined. Again, we clean them up best we can, but they're machined. They have a coolant that has a water-soluble oil to it as a lubrication, so you're going to want to clean these real good when you get them. I use it's a concentrated water-soluble mix. It gets rid of the oils and stuff, so you want to wipe that off. Okay. Now, alcohol, I don't have my sprayer. We can't find it yet. But alcohol is really not a cleaner, okay? It's a disinfectant. And what alcohol does, it momentarily takes the moisture away from your panel or whatever you're rubbing on. So if we had a sprayer, we're going to have to use a wipe. So, okay, now that's going to pull the moisture off there real quick. Now, you kind of want to do the same thing. I like to prep. I'm a painter, body man combo, shop owner. And I prep for my glue pools like I would for paint, aside from sanding the paint. You have to have two different kinds of cleaners. You got to have a waterborne cleaner and a solvent-borne cleaner, which I don't have the solvent-borne cleaner, and then your alcohol. And that's going to make your panel clean enough. I don't really recommend it, flashing or anything. If you have to flash, don't use a torch. A torch will leave a residue on there. You need to use a heat gun. Heat gun works a lot better. So that's what we're going to do. Water soluble and alcohol. If you throw in a oil-based solvent-based cleaner, even better. Maybe warm the panel, but you don't need to get it like 400 degrees or anything. That's just going to make your glue set like in 20. It's going to make it set a lot longer. So you body guys, you painters out there, prep it like you're going to paint, but don't sand it. And it's going to go a lot faster. Because if you have good glue, you don't have to go through 20 minutes of prep to get it to work. So, there you go, the Hero glue, the Hero tabs, a quick rundown on how to use them. Thanks.